Hold a pane of glass up to the light. It's hard, it's cold, and somehow you can see straight through it. It is one of the most ordinary things you own. A window, a bottle, the screen in front of you, and it is made of one of the most ordinary things on Earth: sand. So here's a question. How does a handful of beach turn into something you can see through? And a stranger one. Is glass even solid at all? The answer is no, not quite. Glass is a liquid that was cooled so fast its atoms froze before they could line up. It's a pore caught in the act, a liquid pretending to be a solid. To make it, you start with sand and you bring the heat. Around 1700 degrees, the grains melt, lose their order, and become clear. That randomness is the secret. Lined-up atoms block light. Jumbled ones let it pass. Nature discovered this long before we did. When lightning strikes sand, it fuses it into hollow glass tubes. Volcanoes pour out glass too. Black, glassy obsidian. The first knives humans ever made were glass. For a long time, that was all glass was. Beads, treasure, prized like jewels. Then someone breathed into a blob of it and made a bubble. The first hollow vessel out of thin air. The Romans made it flat and put it in a wall. For the first time, light could enter a room without the weather. But the real magic came when someone ground it into a curve. A curve of glass bends light. A lens. Point one lens at the sky, and the universe gets bigger. We saw the moons of Jupiter, other galaxies. Point the same lens the other way, and a new universe opens. Cells, bacteria, life living inside life. The same material, opposite directions. It doubled the size of the known world, twice. Sand, window, lens, each step, the same trick. Tame the light, then aim it. Then we did something stranger. We pulled glass into a thread thinner than a human hair, and we sent light running down it. Every message, every video, racing through glass. Right now, under the oceans, your words are crossing the planet inside hair-thin strands of melted sand. And the thing in your hand, the one you're reading this on, is the same ancient material. Sand, melted and frozen clear. Your whole life, you have looked at the world through melted sand. You're doing it right now.